how to write a simple program that returns the number of feet entered by a user, converts it to inches, and returns number of inches. Now the program does specify that we write in the form of a function, but since this is chapter 1, which is Python revision tool 1, we'll be defining functions from chapter 3 onward, which is defining functions. So now let's just start the program. So what would I do? So taking feet input. What I do? Well, I can create a variable feet equal to int input, enter the number of feet, enter the feet, let's say height in feet or length. Okay, height. Anything works, to be honest. But this is what we can write to the height in feet. So this is just a filler part, okay? So that's our taking feet input. Then we print feet. Now, normally you'd return, they want you to return this, but since we're not defining functions in this chapter, we will just print it. Once I start doing the questions for chapter 3, I will redo a video for this chapter so it makes a lot more sense. So then, now we've done that, let us convert it to inches. So inches is equal to feet times 12, because remember, I'll just put this here, 1 feet consists of 12 inches. So 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So, or you could say number of inches is equal to feet times 12, or you could say number of feet times 12, right? So that's that, and you convert it to inches. And now since we already have it, giving output in inches, so then you just print, I'll just make a change here, I'll just make the changes so it makes more sense. Finally, print inches is, or you could say, try differently, we could say, we could give our print output as dash feet is dash inches. So feet comma feet comma feet is dash inches, right? Dash inches. Now we can run the program, and now once you run this program, I'll just say I am 5 feet tall. 5 feet entered, 5 feet is 60 inches. Now the program does ask you to return the inches from the second step. I mean, but it seems that seems counterproductive, and read the questions really not phrased that well. So this would be a, what in my view, the best answer. So thank you for watching. Do look forward to new videos. Like, share and subscribe. Good night.